Hi everybody, look at this amazing 3-tier rolling cart that I was gifted. This thing is amazing. So it does not shake, it does not sag, it holds up to 66 pounds. It is made of metal, and what I love is that you have a basket. So you can see the sides come up so things aren't going to fall off. You have those 2 nice handles to push. And then you have removable cups that you can place on any tier or any side, and hooks as well. It really just is perfect. Super easy to install as well. This rolls beautifully from room to room. We use these for everything. Of course, crafts. You can never have enough storage for your crafts and your games. So these are perfect for kids. The wheels on this are a dream. They just glide perfectly. And you have this all metal mesh construction, which makes it lightweight, but very, very sturdy. Look at this, love it. That's the little baskets that come off, and you can move those around if you want. I also love these for makeup and in the bathroom. And if you have someone in your house who is feeling under the weather, this is like the perfect caddy to take them things, their drinks, some crackers, and the tissues. And we also love to use those little boxes since they come off and you can wash them. You can use those little baskets as a little tiny garbage can. Love the hooks on this as well to keep all of your cords if you're charging things. I just can't say enough great things about this. Super sturdy, but lightweight. It is an everything utility cart. Definitely check it out.